Hello, colleagues. As you probably know, Russia attacked Ukraine. In this connection, Russia began to be blocked in one form or another in various directions. For example, from Ukraine, there is no way to go to any Russian site. While my server administrators are saving their lives, and do not have the opportunity to make a separate VPN on the servers, I decided to use a public paid one. For sure this information will be useful. Due to the loss of many assets in Ukraine, I decided to use payment through cryptocurrencies. Anyway, some of them hang out unnecessarily. Also, one of the requirements was applications for Windows, so that you can easily have access to FTP servers that are currently unavailable. So, after a little research of what is on the market, it became clear that there is a lot of things. Since the initial requirements are not very many, the main emphasis was placed on the price and recommendations. I was satisfied with the price of $2.50 for 2 years. I'll give you a little life hack right away: clear your cookies before buying, since almost all service recommendations come with a referral link. And this, for some reason, adds to the price. I do not support this. But in this case, it doesn't matter. So, there are two payment systems: CoinGate and CoinPayments. First of all, I liked the second one, since I had met her earlier, and there were even plans to establish her payment in one of the projects. Filling in the Pay with FIO request, optional, field always returns the payment with an error. Also, you have no idea how unpleasant it is to see when you are in Ukraine, the Russians kill you, and you see the Russian language by default. Of all the coins, USDT, which is in the Binance Smart Chain, came up. I don't understand much about blockchains yet, but what is offered to be paid on the Ethereum network, it became clear that this was not my option. It also scared me that the transaction could take several hours, and it was not very clear where to look for it later. At the same time, the number of coins did not please, although the service itself has much more in use, as you can see now, as, for me, the Surfshark service could have added more payment options. But that's their business. CoinGate is pleased more with the number of coins for payment, and the fact that 20 minutes are given for payment, which theoretically implies a faster transfer of money and a purchase. I immediately remembered about my empty Dogecoin wallet and Tron and USDT. I tried USDT, I didn't need it among the blockchains. Therefore, through Gatio, the exchange service changed USDT to TRX. I transferred them to the TronLink wallet and made the payment in a few minutes. A letter of successful payment came within a few minutes. A small misunderstanding rose in the fact that I did not find the password for the account. So I had to reset my password to log into my account. After authorization, I saw the beauty of the possible options for installing a VPN. After installation, I was pleased with the number of countries that can be used for work. Mission accomplished. Yes, of course, you could just pay with a card, but we are not looking for simple ways. Total, I have had an inexpensive VPN for 2 years, experience in working with cryptocurrencies, actual familiarity with cryptocurrency payment services. What tasks can be solved with the help of VPN? Use them when working in public Wi-Fi networks. Work with services in different countries that were not available for one reason or another. I often do this for research. Use programs that, for one reason or another, can be blocked. Upon completion of the creation of this video, the administrator wrote that he made a configuration file for OpenPN. Nice. Success in business and safety to you.